Okay, to do the laundry, you're going to come down to the main lobby where the mailboxes and the main entrance are, and most important, the elevator. The laundry room, the shared laundry room for the building is on the second floor. Of course, you can also take the stairway up if you prefer. But here we go to floor 2. And it's easy to find because as soon as we get to floor 2, then the laundry room is immediately to the right. There we go. Here's our laundry room. So again, here's the elevator. Here's the laundry room. And here we go. So there are 6 machines. If the lid is up, that usually means that machine is ready to be used. I have something in this unit right now, so pretty rare that you can't find some empty machines. But if not, it's a shared laundry room, so come back. Daytimes are really good. Sometimes weekends are a little more crowded. To use the laundry machine, you simply insert that card with enough value on it. And there's a separate video to show you how to add dollar value to this card. You can see that a wash costs $2. You do all the presets that you need. You insert the card. When you insert the card, it tells you how much it's going to cost. And then you can push start, which I'm not going to do, and it deducts that money. I'm not doing a wash right now. And then same thing for doing drying. So here's the machine for the insert card here for the upper machine. Insert card here for the lower machine. Drying, as you can see, costs $1.75. So I'm going to go ahead and use the lower machine here. I'm inserting my card. And once again, it says $1.75. For that, I want to use high temperature, and I'll go ahead and have it start, and then just so you can see how it works. And then, in a minute, now I'm going to put something in there. So that's how you use the laundry room. Here's the laundry room hours, and here's the tips and the contact information. If any of the machines are broken, you can use that QR code to contact the laundry service, which is separate from Crown Colony.